I like working in nature. I was always interested in understanding how mountain ranges form and oceans and seas, and this is what working as geologist provides me to understand these processes. My name is Nevena Tomašević and I'm tenure-track professor in geology at Karlsruhe Institute of Technology. Geologists are studying the evolution of the Earth system. In my case, I study evolution of sedimentary rocks and the parameters which are influencing their spatial and temporal distribution. So I was born in Serbia, in Kragujevac. I did my bachelor and master studies at the University of Belgrade. After that, I moved to Netherlands, Utrecht University, where I did my PhD. I did my postdoc at the University of Tübingen, and after that, I landed in KIT. At KIT, I can actually closely work with scientists from different fields, hydromechanical engineers, civil engineers, material scientists, climatologists. Transdisciplinary research is really necessary if we want to go forward in quantifying processes in geology, but also trying to solve the global challenges which are related to climate changes. So I'm working as a tenure-track professor. So this means that after 6 years and a successful evaluation, I will be offered professorship. It brings me perspective for my professional and the private life. Not only women, but also male, if they really want to stay in science, they really have to like it, like in every job, and really fight for it and work hard. However, maybe they should look around because there are a lot of people who did it, and maybe they can help them to actually encourage them to do it, even though sometimes when they think that they cannot. But also have a lot of fun in actually pursuing their dreams and not to be afraid. Based on my experience, I think it is possible to have a family life and be scientists. Of course, like in every job, there are a lot of obstacles, which in the end, with hard work and strong belief, one can jump over.